Hi, my name is Colby Hobart. I'm from Amphenol Printed Circuits. I'm here with Anton, and we're talking about some of the ways in which our circuit boards are differentiated from the rest of the market. And the biggest way, probably off the bat, is that we can process enormous panels compared to most other shops domestically. And so we can go up to a 36-inch by 54-inch panel, which is what this KU band radiator was made on. Or we could do a 24 by 54 inch panel for an ultra long backplane application or maybe custom antenna. We also are doing a lot more HDI work, deeper into HDI. We're down to 0.4 millimeter pitch on our rigid HDI boards. And we're showcasing a lot of new, very low loss materials. So we do process on all the Teflon materials, but we're constantly qualifying the latest and greatest resin-based systems like Megtron 8 with HVLP 3 foil, or even smoother than that, as well as the EMC materials, 892K and 896K2 are in engineering right now. We're up to speed with all of the high speed and low loss materials for both our HDI work and our RF work specialty. We're also using Rohacell foam, which is in this board, which is an air-like core on a 33 diameter board. And Ormet is another big process at the plant. We're one of a few plants that are very confidently laminating Ormet now to join 2, 3, 4, 5 different circuit boards together in a stack. Like you may have a radiator, a beamforming network, power and ground planes, and then a separate board for logic and control, all morphed into one through that Ormet lamination process. So thanks. I'd like you to check us out at our website for Amphenol Printed Circuits. We're part of the greater group here in this large booth with several other divisions like SV Microwave and Times Microwave as part of a collaborative effort to show off Amphenol's defense bid here. So thank you.